These days, there are already so many ways to make money online, and most of the time, it makes you wait for way too long before you can actually make money, and sometimes the wait's just not worth it anymore. But what if I told you that there's actually an easier way to earn a lot of money using a free website with just simple tricks that you do on Google and you can earn right away? We know you guys want to hear it right now, so step one is to What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I am going to be sharing another great way to earn money online, and you can earn through sharing your opinions. There are huge, big companies with big names that actually pay you to give and send in your brilliant ideas. So before you click away, I want to tell you that you don't have to worry about this, because after I share it to you, the free website, I'm going to give you a pro tip how you can actually make more money while submitting ideas that you can find online for completely free. And in this way, you're going to get your tasks done a lot quicker and way better. So I'm not gonna drag this for too long, and get yourself some popcorn, maybe a drink. Make sure you pay attention so you don't miss anything, and let's jump right into it. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about a website called MindSumo, where big companies crowdsource breakthrough ideas quickly and affordably from creative problem solvers. So as soon as you go on over to this website, you're gonna see a lot of projects that pay you over $20,000 to thousands of dollars. Also, you can see a lot of people on the leaderboard just stacking their earnings daily. These active users, these are the different categories, which gives you unlimited opportunities to earn money with a topic that you want to share your opinions on about. And there's also the fact that this website has partnered with big named companies, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Adidas, Spotify, Facebook, IBM, and even Disney. So you can start presenting your ideas in MindSumo. And first, when you get into the website, you're going to be brought into this website, asking you if either you are a company launching a project and getting ideas, or a problem solver that shares ideas and earns cash simply. So you just have to click on the I am the problem solver option, which will then take you to this page where you'll read an introductory paragraph. And if you look on your upper right corner of the page, you're going to click on sign up. Then a tab is going to pop up for you to log in. Since you are new to the business, you're going to click on the don't have an account yet hyperlink and fill up the solver registration tab with your name, your location, personal or business email, your password that you want to use for MindSumo account. And at the bottom part of the registration, you're going to rate and categorize your creativity, marketing, and technical skills. So you're going to click on the respected option tabs, and I recommend you choose above average proficiency. After you rate your skills, tick some check marks on MindSumo's terms of service and agreement and privacy policy, or at least make sure that you click on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions, and I've read and accepted the privacy notice. And then you're gonna capture the verification box to prove that you're not a bot. And then finally you can click on the blue sign up box, and you are officially MindSumo's problem solver. Now I want you guys to answer these questions in the comments down below. What would be your dream when you earn money from today's method if given the chance? What is it you want to buy? What is it you want to invest in? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so we can note them down and do it for you. Now, anyway, moving forward, you can now look and choose which projects you want to start earning from. So you can see there are so many challenges that are categorized by skill, like business, engineering, food sciences, computer science, and a lot more. So you can just, explore, discover to match your interests. And these categories are going to pay you pretty good money. And you can click on any one that you want, and it's going to show you all of the completed and available projects that you can earn money from. And you can also just choose to click on the active projects just above the challenges categorized by scale. So you can see all the available challenges, different categories, and in a few moments I am going to be sharing with you guys how you can answer these questions without, losing ideas. And we are going to do that with the help of Google. And there's an easy way to answer all these questions from any category in just minutes, in just a few clicks. So you need to scroll through the active challenges available for you. For example, you can choose the challenge, this challenge over here that pays you this amount of money for your answers. And so if you have this question, okay, and if you click on whatever that question you have, okay, you're gonna see more information about it. But basically, you're just going to see a lot of questions, pretty much. And we are going to see how we're going to use Google to find the answers to these questions without getting copyrighted or being plagiarized or whatever. So, before anything else, like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos, and we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So let's proceed. So how exactly can you start making an answer for any of the questions from Mansumo with Google? So you're just gonna copy the question and then you're gonna paste it in the Google search bar, and it's gonna give you a ton of search results with different answers. Now, there are websites that give you similar questions with very complex and well-explained answers, and one of which is Quora, where people basically answer random questions all the time. So if you do your research for the answers as well as, putting in your own ideas with verified facts, you can copy and paste what you've searched in Google into a Google Docs file. All you need to do is search Google Docs to sign up your Gmail account, create a new document with commands similar to MS Word copy, and then you're going to paste the answer that you have from the internet. And then you're going to compare which one gives the best answers. Now you can make these for your own reference to just, make your own ideas better, improve your creative ideas regarding the questions that you chose. You can also choose to just leave it as it is, and as soon as you're done, I do suggest that you put a title at the top of the document. You can click Mansumo Challenge plus the question that you've chosen. You can also maybe change the font size, the font text, the font itself, and then just copy that, and then you're gonna paste it into the space where your opinions will be submitted at the bottom of the challenge that you've chosen. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is submit, then wait a couple of hours, and in that same day your submission will get accepted by the project maker, and then you're gonna earn money in the same day. And that is basically everything. Make sure you do that, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.